Hey everyone, welcome to our Acuity scheduling review. Links to the platform and more resources are below. Let's dive into its features. Acuity scheduling is a powerful online booking tool perfect for businesses and professionals needing streamlined appointment management and better client communication. Whether you're a solopreneur, small business, or part of a larger team, Acuity has tools to fit your needs. A key feature is the real-time availability calendar. Clients see your schedule, book instantly, and get confirmed without any back and forth. It syncs with Google Calendar, Outlook, and iCloud, preventing double bookings and keeping you organized. You can customize appointment types with different durations, prices, and availability, ideal for diverse services offered by therapists, coaches, fitness instructors, or salons. Acuity integrates with PayPal, Stripe, and Square for smooth checkout. Automated notifications and reminders reduce no-shows and keep clients informed. Intake forms collect essential information upfront. For group sessions, classes, or events, Acuity offers robust group booking. Customize your booking page with your logo, colors, and messages for a professional touch. It also integrates with Zoom, Zapier, and CRM systems, making it perfect for in-person and virtual services. There's a free plan for basic needs, while premium plans unlock advanced features like text reminders, multiple calendar management, and priority support. In short, Acuity scheduling simplifies scheduling, improves client interaction, and boosts efficiency. If this sounds right for you, check the links below to learn more and get started.